Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Corolla key fob battery. It's a simple process that can save you a trip to the dealership and a few dollars. You'll only need two basic items: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. This quick DIY task will have your key fob working like new in just a few minutes, restoring full functionality to your vehicle's remote access. To begin, you'll need to access the internal components of your key fob. Start by locating the small button or slider on the side of your key fob and remove the hidden mechanical key. Next, look for a small indentation or slot along the edge of the fob's casing. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist to separate the two halves of the key fob. Take care not to damage the plastic. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the small, round battery inside. Before removing it, take a moment to observe its orientation. Typically, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Use your small flathead screwdriver to gently pry out the old battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and carefully place it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. It should click securely into place. With the new battery securely in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until they snap shut all around the edges. Then, slide the mechanical key back into its designated slot until it locks. Finally, test your key fob by trying to lock and unlock your vehicle. If it works, you've successfully replaced your battery. If not, double-check the battery's orientation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.